Hi and welcome back to our Check Point CCSA course series. In our previous video, we explored role-based access, so the RBA, using the graphical user interface. Today, we are taking it a step further by diving into how to configure RBA using the command line interface, the CLI. This is crucial for both hands-on management and preparing for your CCSA certification. While the GUI provides an intuitive way to manage RBA, the CLI offers powerful control and precision. In this tutorial, we will show you how to perform RBA configurations directly through CLI commands. So let's get started. So here we can start going to our PowerShell and logging into our management server like this. Okay, so RBA, how to add a new role. So add, it's the command add RBA, and we can check press tab here. So we need to add a new role. So role, press tab again, and here we can see that we already have these roles. If you remember, this test role we have created in the previous video. So here we can we need a new name for our new role here. So we can call it test2, and now we need to choose the domain type, which is a reserved command for a system in the future. And here we should type system. And now, what features do we need to activate here? All features, read-only features, or read-write features. So let's start with read-only features. So read-only features. And here, if we press tab, we can make this a little bit bigger. If we press tab here, we'll get a list of all features available to us. So, for example, we can take, for example, NTP here. NTP. This is a read-only. And then we can continue with read-write. So press tab again, and now we can choose the read-write features. So we can take, for example, the backup, and here we can press enter. And here we can see a warning that this backup provides a privilege level equivalent to the admin role, because we took the read and write. So now, how to assign this, our newly created RBA, on a user. So we can, so it is add RBA user here. And here we can check our users. And we can try our test user. So test and roles. Now we can test, we can choose which role do we need to apply on this user. And in this case, we need to test this test2 and press enter. So now, if we log in here, we will see that this user now has two RBAs. So the first one, the one that we created in the previous video, and the other one is the one that we created now. So we can obtain the lock here and scroll down to users. So if we check the user, so test, edit, we can see that there is two roles. So now we have seen how to add roles to a user, but how to add one of these, the access mechanisms, using the CLI. So back to the CLI. So here, add RBA user test. If we click tab here, we can see access mechanisms. So access mechanisms, and what you can choose. So we can back there. So it is a Gaia API that is not chosen here. So we can take it. So Gaia API, press enter. Okay. We need to remove the lock again, and now we can see here, okay, there is nothing here. We need to refresh this page. So refresh one time and back to that user. So users, and we need to obtain the lock all the time. So edit, and now you can see that Gaia API is chosen. So now, how to show what RBA, for example, a specific user does have. So for example, show RBA user, and now which user, test user, and press enter. So we can see that this user has the access mechanism Gaia API, CLI, and web UI, and have two roles, rule test 2 and rule test 3. Another thing that we can do here, so RBA users, so we can see all our users, what do they have for roles. Now, how to delete an RBA. So we can test delete RBA. So we can choose role. So for example, we can, these three cannot be deleted, but we can delete test 2 or test role. So we can talk, for example, test 2 and delete it. Obtain the lock and delete it. So if you run the command again, or show RBA users, so we can see that role is not there anymore. Or we can try to delete the RBA user. So delete RBA user, take test. So what do we need to delete? Access mechanism or role? For example, access mechanism. And what do we need to delete? CLI, so that this user cannot log in anymore. So press enter. And now if you look here again, refresh this. So this should vanish, this tick here. So obtain the lock and users again. So test, edit, and we can see that Clish access has vanished. And here we can see this document here, which I was using. This is the Gaia searching guide, Gaia admin guide. You can Google that and you find this very useful, that help in studying for the CCSA. Just follow up with me and you'll get there. So here it's page 420. So when to use the CLI for RBA? First, automation. So automate and script bulk RBA configurations for efficiency. The next reason, API integration. So combine CLI with APIs for advanced automation and custom solutions. And precision, so gain detailed control and troubleshooting capabilities while using the CLI can seem difficult and time consuming at first. It provides powerful tools for automating tasks and integrating with APIs, ultimately streamlining your RBA management. So that was for this video. So thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. So see you in the next video.